I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF and to turn it in Google Classroom. Log into your Google Classroom and open the assignment. Select the PDF and open it using DocHub. Teachers, make sure that you've made a copy for each student or your original will be changed. Make your edits using DocHub. When you've finished, select the down arrow in the upper right-hand corner. Select the Google Drive. Save as. You want to create a new copy and you want to rename the file. Now export your new copy to Google Drive. Go back to the Google Classroom assignment. Select Add or Create. Select your drive. Find your file and select it. This sounds like it could be difficult, but Google Drive will show you your most recent files that you worked on. So you'll be able to select it, then turn it in. I'm going to go back now to an actual Google Classroom and we're going to try it. So I'm logged in here as a student and I can see over in the right-hand corner, I've been assigned a PDF document to complete. Now I'm trying to open it, and in the center, you don't see any option for opening it with. On the right-hand side, these three dots are called breadcrumbs. Click on them and select Open in a new window. Okay, oops, my changes from before showed up. But now it says Open with, select the down arrow, and you want to select DocHub. If you don't see it here, go down to Connect with More Apps, and you can type in DocHub here, and it will find DocHub. Then you will be able to add it. Then you're going to open DocHub. I've kind of been working on this for a while, so type in Use Existing because we are going to make a copy later. Okay, so now I have a PDF, and you can try out your tools over here. You have a text tool. I can type in my name and I can type in the date, which would be nice. I can take these 6 little boxes and I can move this around anywhere I want. Earlier I had added a square or rectangle. You could add a rectangle. You can fill it in with a different color. There are a lot of really neat things you can do. When I'm filling out this PDF, I'm selecting the text tool here. I'm going to change my text to a different color so it would be easier for my teacher to read it. So I was shifted down here, but it's okay. You can actually click on the 6 boxes here and move your text anywhere you want on the screen. You can, it takes time because you are going to have to select each tool every time that you use it. You have a nice eraser tool and some other tools. If I know the equation of this table here, I can draw an arrow. I think it's 2x plus 4. So let's go find a line. And if this is where I think it goes, I could even do that. So you have a lot of options. So now let's say I'm finished. I do want to put some more. I had a little note here from yesterday. You could put a note on. This problem was tough or whatever you want. Okay. So we got 16. Sometimes you have to double click and make sure that it gets in there. And I want to type in here. This is my final draft. Okay, now if I'm finished, again, go up to the right-hand side where the down arrow says download or export. Select Google Drive. Now this is really important. I want you to create a new copy. You're going to do that for a couple different reasons. If you create a new copy, Then I'm just putting my initials here, and then maybe I'll say final draft, whatever you want to say so that you know that it's different and it is the one that you worked on. Now click on Export to Drive. Okay, I don't need to see it in the drive, just say okay. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom. Now when I click on that, it still has the PDF, so use the left arrow here and go back to your Google Classroom. Now some people delete this one. I don't feel comfortable doing that right yet. So I'm going to click on Add Create, and now I'm going to go my Google Drive. And sometimes we may need to wait and see how things go. But as you can see, I was kind of working on these for a while. Google Drive will open up the most recent files that you've been using. And since I renamed this to WS underscore final draft, then I will be able to select this and I can add it. And now I can see it adding right here. So you probably will want to delete this one, the top one, which doesn't have your information in it. And you want to keep the draft that has all your answers. And now I'm going to turn it in. And I'm done. That's all I need to do. Thank you for watching.